that would be on the negative side for those two people. He's working, like announcing results. It means many Kenyans wouldn't be aware of these other problems. And 56% of all Kenyans have been affected in one way or another. And that strike is, it's now what, 100 days? I can't remember. Is it the third month? Or maybe, I don't know if that includes going to a mganga, just, you know, miti shamba type of treatment. Second, they needed treatment, but they didn't even bother to go and get it because they didn't have the money. And finally, and most tragically, a death occurred. Not so much that cost of living is not an issue that the government has to deal with, including debt repayment and so on, but that these other issues, the more immediate ones, have really grabbed attention because they've affected people in a very immediate way. But as I say, you can read that for the